It is finally time to start adding decimals the traditional way. So today we're going to be working on the traditional method of adding decimals. Let's go ahead and look at this first problem. It is 2 and 41 hundredths plus 1 and 64 hundredths. So adding decimals is super simple. All you're going to do is line them up on the magical decimal line. So the magical decimal line is the line, we'll draw it right here, that all the decimals must be lined up on. So we'll go ahead and start writing our numbers. We've got 2 and 41 hundredths with our decimal on the magical decimal line, and 1 and 64 hundredths with our decimal on the magical decimal line. Now we can go ahead and add. 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, carry the 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and our decimal comes down on our magical decimal line. That's all there is to adding decimals. So that's our first one. Let's go ahead and do 2 more together before you move on to doing some on your own. All right, so remember our magical decimal line. Let's just draw our line. And let's write our numbers. We've got 5 and 1/10 plus 3 and 81 hundredths. Now you might be like, but Miss Wilson, there's a blank there. Yes, there is. Remember, when writing 5 and 1/10, that is equal to 5 and 10 hundredths. They're the exact same number, so all we're going to do is add a 0 there. Doesn't change the number, but it does work as a placeholder. So now we're just going to add again. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 5 and 3 is 8, and bring your decimal down on the magical decimal line. So the answer to the problem, 5 and 1/10 plus 3 and 81 hundredths is 8 and 91 hundredths. Let's do one more. We've got 3 and 59 hundredths plus 2 and 1/10. Let's go ahead and draw our magical decimal line. We've got 3 and 59 hundredths plus 2 and 1/10. Remember, 2 and 1/10 is equal to 2 and 2 and 10 hundredths is equal to 2 and 1/10. Super simple. So we're just going to add our 0 there as our placeholder. 9 plus 0 is 9, 5 and 1 is 6, 3 and 2 is 5. So 3 and 59 hundredths plus 2 and 1/10, 5 and 69 hundredths. Totally done. Go ahead, you're going to do some matching practice, and then we will learn how to subtract the traditional way before we get some more practice in.